Hey, Micro Map here, sitting here in the van. The kiddo's doing her soccer practice. Got the van heading on the road trip tomorrow to Tampa, where she got some games until Sunday. Let's take a look at the future. So we did have a sell-off today. A lot of people on the tube were saying that it was rotation out of the Magnificent Seven and into maybe some value names. It looked more like a defensive trade when I was looking at the most active options, and we'll do that and we'll look at the futures. And also, I'll let you know on some of the trades that I did on the unusual options activities that I saw today out there in the market. So the futures right now, let's go to the watch list. They opened up a couple hours ago. The 10-year 393, and the dollar is at 102.19. So we did get a bid on the dollar today as a safe haven. Foreign currencies mix. Bitcoin up 315 to 45,645. Bitcoin had a good day. Oil right above 70. S&P still red. Gold down $5 to 20.68. Copper 14 cents under $4. Hogs up 27 cents to 65. Feeders 225. Live cattle 171. Small caps flat right now at 2032. NASDAQ down 9 to 16 over 16.7. Dow Jones down 6 under 38K. Natural gas up a little bit to 258. Palladium and platinum at about 1,000. Silver well under 24. About a dime under 24. VIX 14.15, up about a nickel. The grains have been acting very poorly. I guess that's a inflationary food relief, hopefully. And those are your futures. They just open, so like if you want to look at big picture on the day, we have the Asian markets. Let's see if it pops up here on the red right now. Bitcoin was up 1,400 on the day, up over 3%. Ethereum up 20. We'll see what happens when all these ETFs come out. If it'll be sell the news kind of event, buy the rumor, sell the news kind of event. We talked about the dollar. Gold is hanging in there, and silver's hanging in there with the dollar being stronger today. It's still hanging in there. Oil fell today with the stronger dollar, but we still have the geopolitical and the tensions in the Red Sea, which is also gonna probably lift up cargo freights, so that might have a big effect. We talked about the bonds and the yield climbing on the 10-year. Let's see if we can get back over 4. And we had the NASDAQ down 1.63, S&P down 0.5%, and the Dow Jones was green, actually. Apple shares fall 4% after they got downgraded today, and I had spoken about that in the video earlier this morning. If you look at the bar chart at the most active options, it looked like a defensive day on the tape overall. Pfizer was green, up 3%. I have a leap in Pfizer. I think Pfizer's undervalued. So I think that'll come back up over time. Citigroup, I think Mike Mayo, I think the analyst name said that Citigroup can triple. I didn't hear the background on why it could triple, but he said it's undervalued and goodbye. Bank of America up, AT&T up, Moderna was up pretty big today, strong. Exxon up, Verizon, Walt Disney, ETRN, which had unusual option activities on the call side. So these are very defensive names. A lot of banks, Coca-Cola, Oxy, Walmart, Merck, Walgreens, MicroStrategy actually being correlated to Bitcoin. It's pretty much a Bitcoin play. Altera up, Las Vegas Sands, Abiv, Zim, Celsius. I did a play in Celsius. It looked like there's heavy short interest, and it looks like it wants to go much higher. It's about a $13 billion company. Bristol Myers, Johnson Johnson, General Motors, Wynn Resorts, MPW, CVS, and Citronix. I don't know which one that one is. I think they were a buyout. I don't know what the deal is with that one. But those are 100 right there. And if you look at the green, they were all pretty much defensive stocks. Devon, Chevron, Delta, Discovery, Novax, B. Wright Financial, Morgan Stanley, Nextera, Campbell Soup, RTX, which is a defense, Eli Lilly, and Supermicro Computer. Those are the ones that are green. On the trade front, so it looked like for me it was kind of a defensive tape. On the order front, I got into Digital Bridge, bullish. I bought the call in there in 1973 days out. I did a calendar spread for this to go up here. Agios Pharmaceuticals had unusual call activity. Celsius, I had mentioned, for it to go up. Curve had unusual option activity. Torrid Holdings, they make clothes for extra large people. I bought the 17-day 5 call in the money. IMCR looked like I wanted to go much higher. Was trading heavy volume, and it looked good. A biopharma name, and I took a gamble here, kind of out of the money, but we'll see. I sold Riot, Albemarle, and Mara, all for like 50% gainers. Sold those, took some profits. ATSG, a lot of put action on this name. They're a transport air freight company. So bought a 15 put, 73 days out. AZEK, also a lot of put action. Bought a 35 put, 17 days out. I bought a straddle in EOLS. Looks like this one's coiled up for a big move up or down. May have some FDA approval waiting or something. BKD, a lot of call action. About the 108 days out. Good RX, not looking good. So bad RX. It looks like the tape is bad on this name, and it looks like it wants to go lower. Did a calendar spread call on OUST, Ouster. Short interest in there's high. We'll see what happens in there. Mankind, Globius Marine, ETRN, which I mentioned. Allergen Therapeutics looks like wants to go higher, short squeeze. Snap took 50%, and him and hers, I did a short on that one. A YouTube short that it looks like it wants to go much higher, this name. Strong day in hims and hers. I did some other trades in the Tasty Trade account as well. And I don't, I'm getting charged commissions in here. Let me see, activity. Um, maybe those. Where is the activities? Activity. Here we go. Orders, and this was today. Was this today? No, let me go filter here. Filled, and we'll do today. Yeah, I'm paying small commissions here. I know Robinhood and I think Webull are pretty. I think they're free. But I have accounts with them, but I haven't really transferred money in them. I should probably save on commissions, because I was doing the math, and I did spend a lot of money on commissions last year. I bought a Strangle and I think it's called Revelance Therapeutical. It's RVNC. Hawaii Electric, I bought a straddle for a big move. There was a lot of calls in BTG Gold. I bought a call there, and I closed Etsy and Apple for small gains today. And I did pretty good in this account today. Did good in this account, and then TD was up a little bit. So yeah, that's what I saw today on the tape, on the most active options and unusual movers. And we'll see. Today was supposedly a rotation day. Looked kind of more defensive than rotation to me. And Bitcoin did well. And I think it has to do with all the ETF hype. The metals were pretty stable. And the dollar gained a little bit of ground. The financials did a little bit better. And the bonds sold off a little bit. That's why interest rates went up. So we'll see. We'll see what's going on today in the first day of trading. I just wanted to do a quick recap on what I have in the accounts, and happy trading in 2024. And I'll see you in the next video. Maybe I'll do a couple YouTube shorts on some of the bigger ones with unusual option activities. Take care, folks. Bye.